1. Gather small-sized sponge, plastic, or hot rollers. You may want to practice using them before it's time to style your hair. Looking into a mirror, try winding your hair around a curler and securing it with a hairpin. Some types of rollers slip out of short hair, so you'll want to experiment with securing them. When you have short hair, you'll need more rollers, especially for tight curls. This is because only small sections of hair will fit on each roller. 2. Wash or wet your hair before rolling it. Apply a styling product such as mousse, styling spray, or curling cream. Particularly if you're not using heat, hair must begin wet in order to set it with rollers. If you're using hot rollers, you may still want to wet your hair and apply mousse or another styling product before drying it. 3. Roll sections of hair. Begin at the front of your hair and work backward, rolling small sections at a time. Roll sections measuring about 1 inch each, just enough hair to wind around the middle of the curler. Some hair may be too short to roll. In that case, you can still add a curl to the tip of your hair by wrapping just the end around part of the roller. If you have wavy or curly hair, you can twist your hair instead of using rollers. Use your fingers to twist small sections. Once those twists dry, they can be unwound, resulting in gorgeous spiral curls. 4. Allow the rollers to dry. You can either blow dry your rolled hair or allow it to air dry. Make sure the hair is completely dry before you remove the rollers. It's best to sit under a heated dryer if you can, as it will evenly disperse the air. If you are curling your hair with hot rollers, make sure the rollers are completely cold before removing them. 5. Remove the rollers and style your hair. Remove rollers in whatever order you like, although most find it easiest to remove rollers beginning from the back of the head and moving forward. Hair is ready to style however you like, whether it's left a curly pixie, pinned back or brushed forward.